So, Ifechukudeni, do you think this name has traits and power behind it that you would like for your next child to manifest? Or would you like your very own Igbo name? Let me know in the comment section down below. So if you have a concept for a name that you would like for yourself, or let's say you want to name your next child, give them a traditional Igbo name, an African name, let me know. You can hit me up on my Instagram DM, it's linked below. And if you have a concept in mind, I can give you the closest Igbo name, right, for that concept. And basically anytime someone calls that child's name, anytime you call your child's name or anyone says their name, you're basically speaking and invoking the power behind that name. That's what we believe as a culture. So that's why we take naming a child very seriously, because we know that basically that child's name is going to go a long way in determining their destiny.